Hi, I'm Stephanie from Crosscut Sewing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the automatic needle threader on your machine. I am using the Everstone Sparrow 25, but this is the same or similar on many different machines. If you're not sure if your machine has this capability, you can either check your manual, or if you look right down here by the needle, there'll be like a little lever, and that would be your needle threader. So I already threaded my machine and I just have to thread the needle. So to use the needle threader, I'm going to push down on this lever here. And there's a little hook that has to go through the eye of the needle, so you want to make sure that you push it down all the way. I'm going to take the thread around this hook here on the needle threader, and I'm going to lay the thread right in here. And if I lift this up gently, you can see that loop there. And that is the thread that went through the eye of the needle. So I can just pull the end of that through and my needle is threaded. I hope you found this useful. Happy sewing!